now one day, over the hills so far away, I see two little ducks. One day, over the hills so far away, all my ducks are far, far.
Well, that's going to be a nice day today, which is good.
Come on, cup of tea. Let's go watch Lily play football. Oh. Pause. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, man. And that's where we're heading. The all-weather pitch. And welcome to the 9 to 12s. Look at my tea. Go on, Lil. Go on, Lil. Get a Lil. Go on, Lil. Shoot! Well on, Lil. There you go, bud.
Thanks.
You alright?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
How was it?
Alright.
Yeah? Just got to keep running. Try and cheat. Half time. Go on, Lil.
I think it would have made her run.
Go on, Lily. Go on, Lily. Go on, Lil. Go for it.
Daddy, just slide this Lil on. Daddy, where's the
This way. The same way you went. What is Annie doing?
watching.
She's watching the football.
Yeah.
So go on, Lily.
Go on, Lily. Go on.
She'll go round.
We need a debrief.
Go catch her mouth.
Your football match.
Alright.
Alright? You enjoy your match?
Pretty up the toe.
How come?
See, Dad, I got. Oh, alright. 5. Right bit.
9 to 12-year-olds. It's a good game, wasn't it? You have fun?
That's good.
Yeah?
Now
Let's go. Back to the caravan, which is just there. Woo!
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I do subscribe our channel. Follow our channel. Remember to hit the notification bell and give us 2 thumbs up. Bye guys. Bye guys.